school marks more than the end of a chapter. It marks the countless memories etched into our hearts, the laughter that echoed in the hallways, the tears shed in silence, the friendships that kept us grounded, and the challenges that molded us on who we are today. These years have changed me. And even I would not have reached this point without the people who believed in me, even when I had doubts. To my dearest family, Mama, Papa, thank you. You have been my strength, my home, and my life. In my lowest, you lifted me. In my victories, you celebrated me even louder than I did. Your sacrifices, your prayers, your silent hopes. They are the reason I can hold this honor close to my heart. This achievement is not mine alone, it's ours. To my dearest mother, you are the very reason I pushed myself so hard to achieve this award. Without your unwavering support, reaching this point would be impossible. Without your constant guidance, I would be lost. Without your countless sacrifices, I wouldn't be standing here on this stage delivering this message. All those times I came to you saying, Mama, astoy ka nun eh. Mama, adda ka napayagan. Mama, the contest ko. Those moments are treasures I'll forever hold dear. You always told me, uray awan honor mo basta makaadal ka nga nasayaan. But you deserve nothing than the very best. So here I am. You are my rock, my solid foundation, and my everything. Without you, I am truly nothing. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate everything you've done for me. All those sleepless nights, the endless sacrifices, and everything else I can't even begin to name. Ma, I'm moving up na kon. Oras na mitinin ngayon inanam ta panunot mo, oras na mitinin ngayon inanam ta puso. Amin nga rigat ken bandog ketahan nga nasayang. Amin nga rigat ken bandog mo ken dinto pulos masayang. Tiyempo na mitten nga lak amem tisulta ti bandog ken rigat mo. Amin daytoy ket para lamang kanyang. To my amazing sister, my very own human dictionary, and the first person I always turn to when school gets tough. I know you're probably here, manang patulong man, manang anaapoy, manang kasanwatoy, way too often. And yet you always make time for me, always putting your best effort to help me. You're truly one of the biggest reasons I've reached this milestone. And even though I might not say it enough, thank you and I love you so much. Honestly, without your help, I'd probably just be a girl overwhelmed by all the pressure life throws my way. Thank you deeply. Your constant support has pushed me to become a better version of myself. And I honestly can't imagine navigating all this stress without you by my side. To my dearest Aunt Lorena, words can fully express how grateful I am for everything you've done. Your sacrifices, your constant support, and your selfless help have made all the difference in my life. You've been there for me in so many ways, big and small. Never asking for anything in return. Because of your efforts and unwavering belief in me, I'm able to experience this moment. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. To my friends, my safe space, and my cheerleaders, thank you. For every shared laughter, for the unspoken support in tough times, for the moments when we just sat and tried to survive it all. You made high school less frightening and more meaningful. We grew together, and I carry those memories as treasures. Rachel, Grizel, Robeline, Ate Shane, Liana, Angelica, and Zaira. You all painted my high school years with unforgettable moments. Every laugh we shared, every experience we navigated together, and the unique bond we've created are treasures I'll hold on to always. Thank you for those precious moments of solace and serenity in my life. Honestly, you've all been my unpaid therapist. Your presence and support mean the world to me. More than words can truly express. To our teachers, mentors, and school staff, and to our beloved school head, thank you. You did more than teach. You inspired, guided, and shaped us. Behind every lesson was your belief in our potential, and behind every word of encouragement was your silent hope that we rise. Your impact reaches far beyond the classroom. To my incredible advisor, Ma'am Claribel, thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything. The knowledge you've shared hasn't just informed me, it truly shaped me into a better version of myself. The laughter we've shared, the invaluable teachings, and the profound lessons you've instilled will forever resonate in me. Your guidance has been the unwavering light that illuminated my path, allowing me to reach this point. Without your steadfast support, I wouldn't be where I am today. To Ma'am Josie, seeing you as just a teacher doesn't quite capture it. You're an incredible coach. You guided us not with gentle words alone, but with a strength that ultimately taught us to be stronger ourselves, more resilient. The wisdom you shared, the lessons you instilled, and the joy we found together are treasures I'll always carry. To Ma'am Cherry, the laughter we've shared and your endless patience have made this year so special. Thank you for being both a mentor and a friend. Your energy is infectious. It brings out my best. Your efforts haven't gone unnoticed. In fact, they're deeply appreciated. It's like your spirit has this incredible lightness that just makes everything better. Thank you so much. And to all the parents here today, thank you for raising the classmates and friends I grew alongside. You nurture the generation that will build the future. To my fellow completers, congratulations. We braved the same storms and found different strengths. Let us carry forward the lessons, the resilience, and the love we found in these halls. The journey doesn't end here, it's only beginning. As I step into the next chapter, I do so not only with excitement and hope, but with deep, profound gratitude. This moment, this honor, means the world to me. And it is forever etched in my heart because of all of you. Thank you and congratulations.